The notes of this lick are out of the A minor blues scale: G, D5, A, D7, C, G5, D, G7, E flat, G8, and the open A string. The open A string is played during the entire lick. Drone. Drones are sounding full and thick. The lick starts with a fast slide from the blue note to the note D. That's a little bit tricky. If it's too difficult, you can leave out the blue note, but then it loses a bit its bluesy character. The next part is played in staccato style. Play it 3 times, and then end with a hammer-on. Have fun.